Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of this Thrustmaster Hotas X flight stick. So let's have a look. Okay, it's the usual manuals and things in here. That's not there's any drivers. That's just one of those tiny little DVD things. No. So various languages in there. So this PC settings for different games. Let's see. Okay. Wow, it is really big and heavy. Yeah, that is pretty solid. Yeah, so you can kind of slot it in and connect it together. Somehow. Must click in. I'm not going to force that. So let's take it. Let's just have a quick look. I like that. Nice detailing on that. Mappings and presets. That's just styling. A home button. And lots of other buttons down here. That feels nice. I think this cost me 30 quid, so I'm pretty pleased with it. So it's got side twisting all around. Cool.